Hi, I'm Nancy, broker owner of the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group. So I'm here today because we're going to do something called Real Estate 101. So what I want to try and do with this series is to take the veil of secrecy off of real estate practices so that you can understand as a consumer what you're getting into when you click a button or when you pick up a phone. Because what you're looking for as a consumer is information about perhaps the biggest purchase of your life. And if you're not getting to the person that you think you are, and if you're not getting to a trusted individual, who are you talking to? Are you talking to someone who just spent some money to advertise next to that listing? Or are you talking to the person who really knows that listing? And you may want to talk to someone that doesn't represent that listing. That's fine. That's a whole other discussion. I just want you to understand what you're getting into when you are clicking the For More Information button on especially Zillow, and Realtor.com is no different, as is Trulia. So if you're on my website, which is southjerseyteam.com, and you click for more information, you're going to get me or a member of my team. That's it.